Hi friends, this is Press, and of course, nandito na naman si Press to share sa inyo guys ang aking latest haul. And of course guys, as you all know, si Press ay concerned sa environment always. So, gusto ko ng things na, you know, na recycled, eco-friendly, and of course, can save the environment. Of course, I want to help the environment the best I can. So guys, in that note, share ko sa inyo guys yung latest haul ko guys. As you all know, hindi lang naman laruan natin yung kinukolekta ko. Nagko-collect din ako ng mga simple things like this watch. Introducing guys, yun nga, the Timex Expedition North. Yan guys. Ano lang natin ito, kakakuha lang natin. So let's check it out. Yan guys. Yun, as I've looked at it, yung box ang ganda. I think it's a recycle. So kudos to Timex for doing that. So open natin. Yan guys, ganda. Yan. Wala naman ano niya, fast yung box niya. Yan, nandito yung warranty card. And of course, the actual watch. Yes. Look guys, ang ganda. It resembles guys, I think, sa diver's watch. So, parang kagaya siya ng ng Luminox ko dati. Ganda niya. 100 meter water resistance to guys. And of course guys, the main reason that I got this watch, it's because sa solar power feature niya guys. Diba? Kasi alam niyo naman, tamad ako magpalit ng mga battery. And of course, hassle din na magpapalit ka every 2 to 3 years for the battery. So I think this is a better collection, and of course very dependable and economical kasi hindi ka na magpapalit. It can last up to 4 months pag nasa closet lang or nasa watch vault mo. Pwede nyo siyang store up to 4 months, and of course constant charging naman siya, so you don't have to worry about the power. Ganda. Arabic dial siya, and yung ano niya sa loob is blue. Actually guys, tatlo yung colorway nito. Meron all black and meron OD green. And I just chose this colorway because maganda for me. Yes. Ganda. Tapos yung niya pala, yung strap niya is canvas siya. And of course guys, you know, trivia lang, yung strap niya is made of Tide. Ano ba yung Tide? Yan yung mga upcycled na na plastic na nakukuha sa ocean, yung mga nakakasirang environment natin. So ginawa ni Timex is ginawa nila tong strap, canvas strap. So di ba ang galing, amazing. So di ba, from trash to watch, di ba? Yan. Ganda niya. Magaan. And sukatin natin. Ay, ano na pala siya? Quick detach yung strap niya. So, mapapalitan mo siya agad-agad. I think pwede ito NATO strap. Sukatin natin kung ano siya, kung ano size. Mga 22mm yung size nung niya, nung strap niya. And then the mismong glass is 32, and the mismong watch is mga 48. So ang gandang size for everyday use. Napakagaan niya. So, try natin. Diba? Okay. Actual feel niya ang ganda. So, tama-tama lang yung size niya for everyday use. Hindi siya bulky. And very rugged siya. So, as I've mentioned a while ago, 100 meters siya. So, pwede mo siyang pang snorkeling, pang dive. Doon naman siya talaga made of. Ganda. Luminous din siya. Very, very lightweight siya. Ganda. So guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng eco-friendly na talagang environment environment friendly na na watch that you can wear every day, napaka-rugged, you can't go wrong with Timex Expedition Freedive. Napakaganda. Yun lang guys, shinare ko lang sa inyo yung latest haul. So yun, this is Press checking Timex Expedition North Freedive.